AMISOM troops thwarted the attack by the Al-Qaeda-linked fighters, which began at 8:15 p.m. local time, forcing the attackers to retreat. They returned at 3:30 a.m. but were again met by AMISOM forces before they fled from the vehicle.
We found the vehicle that the Al-Shabaab had used to come and attack us. They were actually on the route out when we hit them last night, and that's where we found the vehicle in the middle of the road, hit by mortar and artillery shrapnel.
The stolen NGO vehicle, medical equipment, several military uniforms, blood-stained scarves, bedsheets and a blanket were recovered from the scene. Kismayo International Airport was liberated from the Islamist extremist group Al-Shabaab in October last year by AMISOM troops in support of Somali National Forces.
Such a vehicle can carry about 20 to 30 personnel. At the scene we found a lot of combat uniforms soaked in blood, plus water bottles soaked in blood, and there were drag marks.
Meanwhile, in the capital Mogadishu, gunmen killed 2 Somalis, wounded a Swedish female politician and killed a Swedish man in Mogadishu on Wednesday when they opened fire on their car in the latest attack in the troubled city.
In the meeting, we discussed the last incident of yesterday, which was unfortunate as people have been killed. But it led to the arrest of the killers who were involved in the attack on the Swedish woman.
War-ravaged Mogadishu is one of the most dangerous cities in the world, despite the fact that Somalia's Al-Qaeda-linked Shabaab fighters pulled out of their fixed positions in the capital 2 years ago. Foreigners usually travel in Mogadishu in armored vehicles or with armed escorts. No one has claimed responsibility for the attacks. But Shabaab fighters have carried out a series of bombings, attacks and killings aimed at overthrowing the internationally backed government. Galang, CCTV.